doesn't give you the critical thinkings, AI doesn't give you the observation, AI doesn't give you the experience, AI doesn't give you the love.
For sending a letter, guessing that kabutar ja, and under someone hunting a little bull die. And after we develop a technology according to our need.
And what happened?
By the
Can download your photo from Facebook. I will go to the chat GPT, write a hate message. I'll make a hate speech which is spoken by you. I'll do viral it. Tomorrow you will not able to come out of your house.
ChatGPT also part of Meta. It is technology, science.
You show that.
Yeah, show me.
Lying.
I am not lying. I can show in my mobile phone.
Well, everybody, I welcome you to this conferencing debate today. Well, everybody, don't be a child now. You guys are in this auditorium to have words on ChatGPT AI. Of course, some of the points about science. Ladies and gentlemen, our motive of this debate should be building our confidence and building our communication. Well, when we talk about communication, communication is not about English speaking only. I know some of the people will come and they will think that let me speak English and let me talk. No, your motive should not be only speaking English. Your motive should be on philosophical communication. Your motive should be on psychological communication. Your motive should be on point that he is talking about. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite people from this team. Mr. Abhishek, please put your hands together for Mr. Abhishek. All right, please have a seat. And of course, I would like to invite Miss Arpita. Please come to the stage. And of course, I would like to welcome Mr. Ashok sir. Please come to the stage. So these learned people have come on the stage and they are going to convey the message. You people must listen, these people first of all. And if you think that these people are really not right and they are not putting authentic points, then you must raise your hand and come here. Otherwise, you can raise points from there as only. Mr. Abhishek, could you please share some views that why is really science not good?
Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
I would like to thank Mr. Cap sir for giving me this opportunity here. And my name is Abhishek and I am from nearby city Lakhimpur. Today I am going to give you some what are the points, or we can say what are the disadvantages we are getting because of the science, and how it is turning our life into something that we are not we are not able to see. Like we are thinking science is very beneficial for us. Since decades we are improving our technologies, but there is a thing that we are not understanding, that it is also decreasing our lifestyle, or we can say it is decreasing our life expectancy. Like we have many problems with which science are giving us. We can say first thing is like climate change. We know
Point to be noted.
there is global warming which is increasing the temperature of our earth, and because of this increasing temperatures, like glaciers are melting and there is a rise in sea level. Also we are getting many problems, naturals happening, that are like earthquakes,
Disasters.
natural disasters like earthquakes and tsunamis. And
Is it just because of science, Abhishek?
yes sir, it is because of science, because of the science and technology we are using like various devices or equipments,
So
like vehicles.
If it rains heavily in Lucknow, it means just because of science.
No, it is not just.
That can also be a natural disaster.
Sir, rains are natural. They are occurring since a very long time. Means I can say like they are from. They are the part of nature.
Exactly,
But
exactly.
now we are seeing that rains are not happening on a regular or in a systematic way. Like we can say, sometime there will be more rain.
Exactly.
And there will
In
be.
rainy season there is summer. In summer there is rainy.
Yes, yes, yes.
Exactly.
Yes, yes.
Yes, you are true.
We are getting things
Absolutely
like
right.
there is when there used to be no rain, now rain is happening there. So it is affecting environment there. And where there used to be rain, now there is no rain. So farmers are not getting their crops, and there is the effect in the food supply.
Oh my God.
So these things we can see the adverse effect of how we are advancing in science,
Oh my goodness.
but it is affecting ourselves.
Beautiful.
And currently a trend is going on with the AI, which is Ghibli image making.
Yes, of course. Right.
Yes, sir. And we can see like we are using, everyone is making Ghibli art and everyone is happy.
How
Like
good it is. Of
yes,
course.
people are after watching their picture, they are saying how good it is.
Of course.
And they are becoming happy that they have made a Ghibli art.
Yes.
But no one is thinking about the Japanese makers who work years to create a single Ghibli image. By their hands, they used to make it.
But this AI has killed their skills.
But this AI has killed, and also we are not. Anyone is not noticing that. Everyone is just sharing their Ghibli art. Now I would request my friends to say something.
Before requesting, I just want you to clear one thing, that you said the Japanese makers, right? So he wants to say that, guys, come on, listen to me carefully. He wants to say that if you want any photo like Ghibli, you should book ticket and go to Japan, right? And then get photo like Ghibli. Akram, please come to the stage, come on. And it is too costly, that's the other thing. Means now each and everyone is able to get Ghibli photo by sitting at home. So earlier it was not possible. We had to go Japan and get our photo made like Ghibli.
Sir,
Exactly.
Sir, but as you are saying, but Ghibli is not like a necessary thing. Like it's not like any food or a cloth that if you don't get, then you cannot do basic things. It is not a necessary thing. If you
Okay.
want a Ghibli art, then you should pay to the person who is making it.
If someone doesn't have
If
that
someone
much-
doesn't
yeah,
have-
if someone doesn't have that much money to purchase a Ghibli image from Japanese people, if they are happy to create an image without any cost, with the help of mobile phone, with the help of social media, with the help of science, what is wrong in that?
What is wrong with that?
That's what I am saying, that why we need to make a Ghibli image.
If
Why?
something-
What is the need to make it?
Happy by
Someone
doing
is
that,
doing
who
after
are
doing
you to
this,
stop
what is
that?
wrong in that?
Sir,
Who are you to stop that?
Sir, someone is happy, but someone is getting affected and losing their money, losing their job because of that, na? So someone is sad also.
That
We cannot
people-
say everyone is
that
happy.
People who are making Ghibli images with the help of their hand, they are too rich, because rich people are purchasing that, and we are not able to purchase that things, because we are a middle class people. And if we are making the images with the help of mobile phone, what is wrong in that?
But-
And you are stopping.
Yes, as you are saying that the art is like earlier it was only for the rich, now it is available for everyone. But I am saying that everything in the start it come for rich only. Like earlier days when there will be a new TV, then only a rich person get the TV.
Earlier the painting was costly, now it is not. So it is good, right? We have to accept Ghibli. So you should
Sir,
accept
but
Ghibli, right?
there is a difference,
Earlier
sir.
it was expensive. You yourself accepted it. Earlier it was expensive and nobody was able to afford. But now people are able to afford because of AI. You should thank AI.
Sir, but there is a difference, na? Like in TV, earlier there are TVs that are made in factories, worker made it. And now today also TVs are made in the factories and workers are making it. So they are getting their salary, their wages, and they are getting paid also. But in this Ghibli art, first it was
There, okay. Earlier they used to get paid, now they are still getting paid. TV makers you're talking about.
Yes.
Likewise AI. And these, Ghibli makers, they were getting paid, they will be getting paid.
Sir, how they will be getting
Just like TV.
paid? Sir, in the case of TV, it was getting manufactured in the factory, and now also it is manufacturing in the factory. But now Ghibli art, they used to make it by hand, but now it is
that photo
become.
can also be made in front of people. That skill will be appreciated.
Yes, sir.
That a person is making my photo in front of my eyes. It is beautiful. AI cannot be appreciated, but a person who is making in front of you, he will be appreciated, and he will be paid for that.
Sir, why will someone pay for the art if they are getting it for free on the AI?
Sir, if someone comes and sits down with you and makes a picture, you will be surprised. Yeah, how good you are. You're making my photo, and you will pay for that.
Yes, sir, I will pay for that. But if someone is making it, like some person is making, not
If
the
a
computer.
machine makes, it is just kind of lamination then. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
If a machine makes a photo, you will just think, yeah, it's kind of lamination of my photo. But if someone is sitting and making a photo, you will appreciate that person and you will pay him as well. Yes. All
Yes.
right. Okay, fine. I would like to welcome Surbi first of all on the stage, and I would like to welcome Mr. Nawaz. Please come to the stage. Please. I want some points to be clear first of all, right? He raised. So somehow we have got the points of Ghibli here. Any other question? Yes. Be argumentative.
He talks about the.
He told.
He talks, no? He talks. Sorry. He talked about the photos, like Ghibli. So, Ghibli.
It is Ghibli.
Okay, Ghibli. No, listen. No.
Sir, we can see people are not getting the name also. Because of the AI, they are getting the image, but not the name.
Sir, suppose I want to like Madhubani painting, but I don't know how to draw. And if I go anywhere for purchasing the Madhubani painting, sir, it is so costly. But we have a technology. We can only for type I want to Madhubani painting, and it can provide easily. So it is the good benefit.
But you also have to pay the subscription of AI.
No, ma'am. I can go easily in Google and we can so many pick whatever I want. So it is.
See, do not debate like here. You need to, make him down by telling people.
Well, it's not all about the Ghibli or any other AI which we are using. It's about the creative jobs. Okay, the person who made the Ghibli spent 50 years to come with this creative job, and AI copied it. What happened? People will stop using their creativity because of the AI. In that case, we would not have any further more invention like Ghibli and all. In that point, what would you say?
Yes, sir. Suppose a person who knows about that how to make a Ghibli. And sir, what is the wrong? He share the skill, and so many people learn from this skill. So what is the wrong, sir? It is the good benefit. Suppose, sir, you know about the English, and so many people are getting knowledge by the help to you. So what is the wrong, sir? It is good enough for the enhance the how to draw this Ghibli peak and how to draw.
You did not understand my question. My question is, if AI would do all of the job, then creative jobs who will do? I mean, that person could create something else. You can create something else. But due to this AI, you are not able to create anything because you are using Ghibli and all.
Sir, I have an answer for that. If you are creative, if you want to create anything, with the help of, you can make a video of yours, and you can air on your video on YouTube and other social website also. You can earn from that also. If you are creative,
You are not getting my
deviating
point.
from the point.
My point is, who is going to do this creative jobs? I mean, Ghibli is not made by the AI. He is only copying the human brain.
yes.
The human brain, which is creative, which gives the creation to the others to come over. AI is only copying that Ghibli and making them easy to available for everyone. I mean, if AI is doing everything, then you, me, and everyone else sitting here cannot do that creative
Sir,
job.
how good it is. Let me tell you. What do you think about CAF? CAF is creative, for example. He's teaching. And guys, CAF is only one. Right? CAF can't teach every state.
Yes, sir.
So if, because of AI and because of science, if we can make multiple CAF,
Yes, sir.
the same brain, the same creativity. If we just clone in many robots, how good it is, sir. And whole India can be, educated because of CAF.
So you are okay
it is
if
good.
you're, sir, so you are okay if you're exploiting your privacy?
Why
You're
will I
giving
do
your
that?
Data, you are giving your data to AI?
I want my skill to be cloned. That's it.
No, but your data, everything you are giving to AI is exploiting your privacy also.
I'm not talking about my biography, ma'am. You need to understand that. My intellectuality is going to be cloned.
How
And
can
this
you say-
intellectuality
how
is
can
going
you
to
say-
be used for
how
the
can you
betterment of this country.
How can you say?
You should accept it.
Why I should accept? You don't have any points.
Ma'am,
I understand your question, sir.
then-
Let me give you an example. Suppose you create 100 CAF.
yes.
One is working in MP, one is working
Yes,
in UP,
yes.
and one is working
How
in
good it
that.
is, guys, how good
I
it
mean,
is, of
you
course.
are going to replace 100 skilled teachers, human teachers,
Okay.
from the society. What they are going to do? I mean, AI cannot give all of
See,
the answer. It depends on
CAF
the AI can only give you the knowledge and can
Sir,
treat
sir,
you.
sir,
It cannot improve
I
your
understood
skills.
you. Sir, I'm really sorry for your misinformation, right? I would like to tell you, okay, CAF is not very much prominent teacher, but I would like to take example of Swami Vivekananda. I would like to take the example of APJ Abdul Kalam. Don't you want him again? Tell me, don't you want APJ Abdul Kalam? Don't you want Swami Vivekananda? And if we can clone the mindset and mentality and intellectuality of Swami Vivekananda in this country, how good it is, sir. You need to accept that.
Sir, we want the personalities like that, like APJ Abdul Kalam and Swami Vivekananda. But as I'm saying that AI is something that is like, as it is copying the Ghibli art, it is also copying like other things. So by getting things copied, we are not.
His point was about creativity. Sir, the same creativity is being used. That creativity is being cloned. And that creativity is being used for multiple people. How good it is.
Sir, then we want
Own the creativity.
new personalities.
It can predict the data based on the information given to him.
Sir, wisdom is there.
It is not a Google, it is a AI. AI means it is generating or creating, not a copy paste.
Okay, in that case, I am going to ask you a question. Name one thing which AI has been created. AI has created.
AI has created.
it.
Sir, you give any information to AI. AI give you same type
AI
of
will give you only solution. AI is going to give you
Okay.
only solution, not the creativity.
Sir, AI.
He also is a creator and generator both. This time, sir, earlier time, for year,
So AI has solution from where?
Solution from his data.
the intellectual-
data which we have given to him.
So and from where?
He's going to,
from
you can
where?
ask AI that what is AI? What is the solution of the global warming?
Sir, the
what is
wisdom,
the solution of the environment
the
changes?
intelligence has been cloned by people. Exactly, sir. And you need to appreciate that.
Why should I appreciate that?
Yes,
That's the
because
creativity I am talking about. You are not getting my
I just wanted to justify the points. Wait. Hey, bhai, don't. Why are you debating? Yes, Surbi.
I want to counter the sir has told about climate. Sir has told about climate change, some tsunami and some disaster, natural disaster. And so suppose, we are having in a lot of countries, people are having lot of natural disaster happen. So, before we were not aware about that, but because of using science technology, we are, suppose it's gonna happen in future. So we are able to know in present. So we can protect ourselves. We can protect ourselves in present because we know that we will destroy in future.
Yes, but it is the science who create these type of chaos, no? Have you seen any tsunami or anything else in the
No,
past
sir,
decade?
it's natural.
No, not too much.
Sir, it's natural
I
disaster.
mean, we
How
are
we can
destroying
say?
it for past few 200, 300 years.
Even after having all the science, we cannot predict an earthquake.
Yes, it's not.
But we can do, sir. We can take.
We can hope it.
Surbi has said that
Suppose-
we can take precaution, right? We can be alert, right? Before the.
Suppose
Sir,
we know
how
that
we will get
you
alert
know,
if
rainy
we are
season
not
come.
knowing that earthquake is going to come?
Sir, the earthquake is come, mobile phone notificate to you.
Exactly. And suppose you are outside and today you know that today it rain heavily. You know, red alert is in our city. So what you will do? You will go back to your home. If you will not aware about that, you will be destroyed in the train.
Yeah.
What about this?
That is correct. If there is raining, then we can go to our home. But I am not saying about a normal rain. I am saying that there will be rains for many days, and which is not going to end. And it is happening at the place where there is no
It's
rain
not in
needed.
our hands, sir. It's happened day by day. You know, before we were having the sunny rays was like, you know, very light. But what happened nowadays? You know, it's very heavy. So it happened day by day. It's not in our hand that, you know, you can doubt about science.
No, I am not talking about the normal cities. I am just saying that the rain is happening where the rain is not needed. Like last year we have seen there is a rain in the Dubai. Where there is a desert, then we don't need rain there. Then why rain is happening there?
So it
And what is
It's not all about science, sir. There's nothing. Exactly.
no, not the artificial one. It was a natural one. I am talking about the natural one.
And sir, suppose if we have land, which is, you know, we cannot crop in that soil. So we have science that, you know, we can invest some materials in that. We can make it healthy. The soil, we can make it healthy, and we can grow in that. You know, we can make that the worst soil we can develop in good soil. But sir, it's all about us. Just like I said,
Yes.
everything has limit and regulation. It's all about you, how you can use that,
Exactly.
how you are using that.
This is the
That's-
bottle. Should I drink from nose? If I drink by nose,
Exactly.
whose fault is it? Bottle's fault or my fault? Of course my
It's
fault.
all
sir.
about yours.
Exactly.
Sir, but science has given you a way. Like people who are not the good elements of society, science has given them a way to disrupt the food chain.
That's why. Exactly.
Science has given a way.
But in the wrong hands, na sir, in the wrong hands, not for the good ones,
It is
for
you
the
who
wrong
think.
The
people.
wrong hands are yours, na sir.
Okay, Arpita wants to say something.
Ma'am, I want to counter your old argument in which you said because of this equipment's machine, farmer has grown. But these equipments machines are too expensive. Not a common man, a farmer who is not earning much cannot afford that machine's equipments. And before these equipments, we were farming very well. We were growing. Yes.
Suppose so many farmers are using the drones, sir, for the sprinkle of the chemicals. For the farming of the fertilizer. Fertilizer. Sir,
They are sprinkling the fertilizer
of
to
the-
form.
to grow the crops.
Yes.
And second thing is, sir, nowadays khad. It's
Fertilizer.
fertilizer also made by the science, and by the help of you can grow so many fertilizer as a comparison of before that.
What is your point?
Please sit down. Please have a seat. Really have a seat. Have a seat. I'll call you back. I'll call you, really. I'll call you back. You spoke well, but you're not able to, articulate. There should be articulation. Come on. He is saying that we can grow fertilizer more. What is the point here? We are talking about growing crops. She mentioned about growing crops. You think we can sprinkle fertilizer, we can grow fertilizer?
Sir, but
Anshu, please come to the stage. Yes. So, Ashok sir, you still couldn't answer the point.
Which point?
We can grow on the ball.
Yes, exactly.
Why we need to save water? Why we are saying everyone to save
Technology is
water?
not saying that everything is destroy. Save your water for your future. 70% by 70% you can more. You know that 70% water, sir. Why you are saying that? Water
In the earth
problem,
there is
this
70%
problem.
water, but all the water is not for drinking, na? Drinking water
By
is
the
less. How
technology,
will create
we will use
drinking
RO,
water?
sir. RO, we will use RO.
How we will get water?
Sir, we will use a RO and lots of drip system, lots of drip system. We can use, we can usable, we can make a usable, sir. How do you can say that?
You can use a RO, but what I'm saying that what water we get is by from the rain. But if suppose there is a climate change and there is no rain happening in the country,
Sir, I
how
don't
you
want
will
to
get the
support
water?
here, sir. 1,000 years ago, we had not a technology for sending a mail, for sending a letter. We were, sent by the frog. We are saying that kabutar ja, ja, ja. And under someone hunting a little die. And after we develop a technology according to our need.
And what happened?
By the phone,
Listen,
by
listen.
that. Ma'am, listen,
Listen.
complete.
Just listen me na. What happened nowadays? We were used to go their homes to give the invitation card. In a marriage wedding invitation card. And nowadays what is happening? We are just go the technology, making the PDF and send that person.
What is the wrong this? What is the
What
wrong
is the
this?
wrong?
What is the wrong?
What is the wrong? Listen.
In this era,
Listen.
in this era, we are saving our time, sir.
Listen.
I want to save my time.
I want to save my
Oh
time.
my God. That's why you are going to distract. That's why you are going to mental health.
Listen, ma'am, listen. Sir,
Where is emotion?
before,
Where is love?
listen,
Where
before
is
some time ago,
feelings?
listen, before some time ago, people were saying that, sir, some time ago, people were saying that, chicken pox, one problem, chicken pox. They are saying that, Mataji come. How superstitious they are. And after that, one injection. Sir, technology took one injection, applying his ran away. Mataji is banned. How superstitious you are, madam?
Every power. I would like to counter you, Anshu, that you said that due to this technology, we are able to send mails and everything. This makes you the socially isolated from the person who is sitting next to you. You cannot talk to him, you cannot do anything. And due to this, you are facing many like anxieties and everything. So do you want to face it or do you want to come over it?
Listen, sending email, for one sending email, you are not a stress and anxiety. They are, sir, using technology,
This is
sir.
only an example. Try to understand my point, which I want to convey you.
Yeah.
Due to these technology, you are socially isolated from the person sitting next to you.
Sir, how
you are going to come
Sir,
over it?
how
and
do you-
due to this, most of the like suicides and everything happens these days.
Suicides, sir, it is not a problem, sir.
Acha, not a problem.
Listen, sir. It is not a problem of science, it is your mentality. Listen, you are saying that you are refrain from your society. We are coming in the class. We are using a technology. They are also real feeling we are getting, sir.
That's why we need AI. Sir,
That's why we need AI.
that's why we don't need AI. I'm sorry. It slipped. No, it slipped my mind.
Sir,
It slipped
why
my
you,
mind.
sir,
That's
why you
why
are
we
not
don't
talking?
need
In
AI.
a Bangalore, they are, delivery charges just like they are. You are asking, you want to purchase a biscuit.
sir.
They are, delivery by the drone system. Why you are not? They are saving your time, sir. You are
Listen,
not talking
why
there.
are you coming
You
here?
are not.
Why are you coming here? You can
I
take a class and
I am coming
you
here for
can-
mooch around. I am coming here for mooch around.
Yeah? Mind your language, sir. Mind your language first.
What are you saying?
Sir, what is
Mind your language.
what he is saying?
Say mooching around.
I am mooching around,
I
not
don't
here.
know the meaning.
Using a human being.
You should use AI.
You should use AI.
I'm not here for studying. I came here for talking to you, ma'am. I came here for talking to sir.
You can talk with the AI. You can attend the online
I'm not
classes
saying
of
that
CAF, sir.
everywhere
You
it's
can attend
technology.
the online classes of CAF, sir.
Sir, today I don't want to use. If I will use technology. Technology not saying that come here, I will catch you. Technology is saying that if you want to, you use. Otherwise, don't use.
I invited him today. That's why he came. Yeah.
Sir, you are just favoring him.
Sorry?
You are just favoring him.
No, I'm not. Abhishek, please come back. Dipti, please go. Satish, please come back. And here, John, please go.
Let me just ask you a question. Due to your AI, I can download your photo from Facebook. I will go to the ChatGPT, write a hate message. I will use an AI, put your photo there, add that ChatGPT content there. I'll make a hate speech which is spoken by you. I'll do viral it. Tomorrow you will not able to come out of your house.
Sir, you know that any problem is coming, so government before taking action, be establish a team.
That is why you should
for
not.
checking.
Government what is doing, let them do. That is why you should not have the AI.
Sir, please listen, sir. For this, if you want to remove this, one small thing, a small website, you can put your own photo he is taking. And after that, he will destroy from social media.
Right, that is true. But people are making enough. Tomorrow you can use with the Modi ji. Tomorrow you can use.
And you can.
Hello everyone. So this is Deepthi in front of all of you, and today I'm against AI. So my points are. Because of AI, the life expectancy of the human being is decreased, and because of that, many cyber crimes are happen. And as we are talking that many photos and videos got viral, and the people who got violated with that thing do suicide and get depressed because of that. And people can easily harass someone because of that. They can blackmail also. They do sextortion, and it is very depressed thing, and people get mentally depressed, and they commit suicide, and they get anxious because of that, and they did not able to live freely because of that, because of social media, and because of AI technology.
Just counter it.
Ma'am, I want to ask you first thing, how many people they are die by the reason of technology every day?
Many people.
You can check on the Google.
Yes.
Many people are checking because of the technology.
Yes.
Means
Because of harassment. Because of they harassed because of through online. That's why.
through online.
They are virtually harassed. They are virtually harassed and they commit suicide.
So nowadays, online sexually harassment is prevailing. Many women are getting suicide, getting
It's
stressed.
about
Listen, ma'am.
pornography and all.
Who is doing this? Sir, firstly, it is technology. Listen, ma'am, it is technology is doing, or you are and he is doing. He is doing someone people's.
Human beings. If technology is not available, nobody can use
course.
it.
Technology
If
is used for maintaining.
AI editor was not there, nobody can use create
Sir,
a video. Of
But this is the
Sir, you are creating a hate speech, sir. You are merging someone's. He is make for good, means you can merge for good, but you are using a wrong way. So what it will do, sir?
Everyone is not.
But it is used in wrong way, na? People are doing suicide. People are
Anyone
harassed.
is doing wrong way, sir. I want to obey you, sir. Against laws of FIR against of them.
So why are you treating the symptom if you can wipe out the disease?
Right.
Why are you treating a symptom if you can wipe out the disease? Remove the root cause. What's the root cause of these things?
Sir,
Remove
yeah.
AI and all.
By the problem means a small problem, we cannot
Why
destroy
are you blaming human? It's
everything.
because of human.
We
If
are
AI is
searching.
not there, no one can do
Listen,
it.
problems comes. We decide. You know that we decided. We have a. You know what we decided? We decided we get it a cyber security team. It will protect you. Go and help. Ask him.
How much
If it will
time it
protect you, how
takes?
many commit suicide?
How much time it takes? When
Sir, if you are aware, you will not decide. You will.
Wait. Anshu, come back, please. Sulbi, come back. Shakleen and Anudesh. Here, Mr. Ashok, sir, please come back. And here, Mr. Salman.
I am going to write some code, and after then I face a problem. So if a ChatGPT is not there, so I will go somewhere and I search. So I will go to developer and it is not available. So I will go I will spend lots of time to get a solution, but it will provide rapidly solution. So what is the problem of that?
Why you not do so much hard work?
If I will
Why you
do
not?
and I will not get a solution, so it is
Because you are becoming lazy person.
sir.
Why God has given you brain?
So God given me brain, but means it is out of my box. So that time I'm unable to solution.
You should try hard.
Yeah, I try hard, but then also I am not get the solution. So after then I will go.
You want your
Listen.
do you want your
I want to say one thing that always you don't get the solution from AI is correct, because the AI data which AI gives always it's not always right. There might be some error. Why you always want to depend on AI for the
he
solutions?
gives more number of answers. You can choose related to yourself. You can choose that answer related to yourself. What's the problem? And you want your mental level increase, na? You go for meditation.
Sir,
Why
sir,
are you
sir.
only 24 hours? What
I'm-
is this?
sir,
You can go for
listen.
meditation. You can go for meditation.
AI is not good then, right? You
No,
yourself
AI
said.
is good.
You also said.
AI is good.
Your fault if you.
AI is good. I am speaking of you because of science, because of AI.
Are you speaking
I
about
don't need any money.
why you need cab, sir? Why you came in Weltak Institute?
No, I have
Because of boosting
I have a AI, madam. I can use that AI. I can use that AI. AI will talk to me. Yeah.
Yes.
You can boost your confidence using AI.
Yeah, I can use. I can take information.
Suppose,
I can take information by AI.
I am struggling
Sir,
with the
no.
I am struggling with the fear of girls. I am struggling with the inferiority complex.
You can
How
go on AI. You can
solve
go
this
on AI.
problem?
You
How
can
solve this?
you can go on
Without
AI.
cab, sir, how can solve this problem?
You can go on AI
Where I
and
can?
say, I have a fear of girls. How can I remove this?
Oh,
He gives solution.
ChatGPT.
He gives you solution. This is the power of AI. This is the power of AI.
Without technology, YouTube technology, how many people can come here?
I am come here without YouTube technology.
No.
Sir, listen.
I came here because of this science. I came here.
Listen. Sir, he said that if I fear of girls,
I don't have what, yeah.
fear of girls, I can use AI and talk
I can
to AI
take
doesn't
suggestion.
provide- first
I
of
can
all-
take suggestion.
First of all, AI doesn't provide girls. AI doesn't provide girls. AI doesn't provide girls. To go and talk
Sir.
girls. To go and talk girls. To go and talk girls.
See, sir, she took this information because of AI. She took this information because of AI. Yeah. all she- AI.
Sir.
And
Listen.
one question, like
No, sir, I have counter. Listen me first. Listen. Because of AI, you don't have the patience, you don't have the listen power. This is the example of AI. This is a distraction. Listen first. Whatever I wrote there, it is my observation, it is my experience. And AI doesn't provide. AI give you solution. AI give you everything. AI doesn't give you the ability. AI doesn't give you the critical thinking. AI doesn't give you the observation. AI doesn't give you the experience. AI doesn't give you the love. How can you help the people only on the basis of solution? When you don't have the observation, when you don't have experience, how can you help the?
Sir, in AI, experiences are available, human experiences are available in AI because of AI made by humans.
Listen.
Not any other people.
Yesterday I was. Listen first. Yesterday I was sad. I go to the AI and share my thoughts. Today I am sad. Whatever I do, the AI said I am not human being. I don't have feeling. How can I console you?
No.
How can I console you?
No.
How can I console you?
sir, she is
It
telling
reality.
lies.
It
Sir.
is reality.
Sir, she is telling lies. Sir, yes, sir. Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She's telling lies.
Meta AI. Meta AI. List
Yes,
Meta
yes.
AI.
She is speaking Meta. Before that, she is telling about the ChatGPT.
ChatGPT also part of Meta AI. It is technology, science, 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 science.
ChatGPT said
You show that.
Yes, show me.
I have. I am not lying. I can show in my mobile phone.
AI supports you. AI helps you.
Yes.
ChatGPT, I am not feeling.
Yes, but not emotionally.
Right now, what should I do?
It cannot support you emotionally.
Yeah.
Look, they are not talking medicine, sir.
Wait.
Okay, sir. See.
I'm sorry for your not feeling right now. You can tell me little more. What's your problem? You can see. She is telling. I am feeling.
He can't give you sympathy.
Yes.
He can't give you sympathy. He can't give you
But he
sympathy.
gives the tips ki how to overcome.
Do you have any emotions? Sir, do you
Yeah.
have any emotions?
I'm really sorry, I cannot give you.
Just listen.
AI provide artificial girl for talking. And sir, if you talk, so your inferiority complex is decreasing and it will decrease. So it is helpful for you. I have also before coming here, before coming here, I was also suffering for inferiority.
I want to
Sir, please
listen to
give
me,
me
John
answer.
bhai. Please listen to me.
Before coming to here, I have also suffered. Before coming to Well Talk, I was also suffering to inferiority complex.
Yes.
But using that AI, my inferiority complex go. Wow. Yeah,
Okay.
it's no more.
But Mr. John, please listen to me. I want to decrease my inferiority complex.
So you
with
should
offline,
prefer AI.
With offline.
Why
In
offline?
fact, how can you provide me?
You are only complicated. You need to understand the.
I am came here because of.
Hello, Salman, you have to decrease your inferiority complex.
Yes, I want.
Don't put condition offline, online. What is that?
Yes,
I
yes.
want emotion, sir. I want emotion.
If you talk, sir.
Why? With ChatGPT.
And first, AI is a tool, not a human being.
Are you aware one robot can replace 1,000 of workers?
No.
Are you aware?
No,
Sir,
not
he
replace.
is living under the rock. He don't know. One robot can replace 1,000 of workers in the restaurant in a second.
No. This, sir, in earlier time, people say digitalization came, many jobs removes, jobs increases because of digitalization. And earlier time computerization. That time in 80th century computerization came. Many people say always destroyed and many jobs
I am
removed.
agree.
Jobs are increases because of computerization.
I am agree.
Jobs are increasing.
And
like Albert Einstein, Thomas Alva Edison, Newton. But nowadays, most of the people use AI. Then people's brain are getting inactive, laziness. Why? Because of use AI. So I think, according to me, AI is very harmful for us. Nowadays, our privacy not safe because of AI.
Sir, before industrialization, somebody says if industrialization come, our job and our frequency is decrease. But what happened? Industry comes, that's why you go the bike, that's why you make a truck, that's why you make a car, because of industrialization. And now it is the era of technology, it is the era of AI. So human कहते किसको हैं? Human has to being adaptation. Now, as throughout the technology, we have to be adopt technology. We don't blame. The technology is come so that I don't do anything. We have to adapt. That's why we are human.
Sometimes you can lose your reputation. You can lose your intellectually. You can lose your lose your wisdom. So where did you use your mind? Where did you use your wisdom? But before sometimes and before coming AI, okay, all students read and studied and worked hard by pressure teachers, by pressure parents. But when came AI in artificial intelligent student are blaming, students are copying all things by AI. So that's why I'm saying this thing and artificial intelligence is not good for our community skill, for our society, for our health. And also spread of information. You know, AI creates fake news. AI creates fake deep videos. AI can fake your image.
You can put your real image and say this is not my image. That time all will remove only in 1 second. All will remove from sir. That image will remove only in 1 minute. That image will remove from social media, from Facebook, Instagram, from every platform.
But what think the people? What think about yourself, the community? What think our
people should awareness by AI. Which type of I have this type of photos, bad type of photos. Which can I remove this? AI give you solutions. Many solutions he gives you.
Sir, what happened? If first your reputation gone, they never will come. One time, if a girl getting harassment or getting molested, it doesn't matter how many times you go that the platform that your government made, the reputation and the respect never come back.
Sir,
that the person, that the girl lost.
Sir, only one second. Sir, answer.
Nowadays, because of AI, the people are isolated in their home and they just want the information by sitting their home, and they think that they can do everything and they don't want to explore the world because of that.
Ma'am, because of technology, you can explore the world. You don't have money, but you can see on the mobile, you can see China, you can see America, you can explore in the world, and you can connect. Because of technology, you can connect people.